Error code 279 in Roblox appears when you've been disconnected from a game due to unexpected client behavior. Officially, Roblox describes this as suspected misuse of the platform, such as exploiting, cheating, or breaking community guidelines. This isn't a server crash, but a deliberate security measure triggered by Roblox's anti-exploit systems. Recent updates like Hyperion 2.0 from late 2024 use machine learning to spot cheating, making these disconnections more common. Stricter client-side checks following DDoS attacks in mid-2025 have also contributed to more Error 279 incidents. If you encounter this error, it means Roblox detected something suspicious in your game client behavior. To fix error code 279, start with basic troubleshooting steps. First, restart the Roblox app completely. This clears temporary glitches that might cause the error. Then, ensure your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. Avoid any third-party tools, mods, or cheats. These are the most common cause of error code 279, as Roblox detects them as suspicious behavior. Using them can lead to kicks or bans. If it's a temporary kick, simply wait for the ban period to end. Check your account settings in Roblox to see the exact duration of the restriction. If you're permanently banned, submit an appeal through Roblox support. Provide details about your case without admitting guilt and include any evidence. Appeals typically take 7 to 14 days to process. To prevent error code 279, always play legitimately without cheats. Enable two-factor authentication on your account to secure it against hacks that could lead to flagged behavior. Report any exploits you encounter to Roblox. Error code 279 deters cheating, and attempting to bypass it can result in severe consequences like permanent account bans. Focus on fair play and account security. By following these steps, you can resolve and prevent error code 279, ensuring a better gaming experience on Roblox.